What's up guys? Michael Lopez here for joinarvidaloca.com, and I've been reading a lot of questions about Coba. Is it worth it? What are the do's and what are the don'ts? First, let's tell you a little bit about Coba, and I'm not talking about the historical aspect of it. I'm talking about how to get there. It's only a 45-minute drive from Tulum. It's easy, it's safe, trust me, you'll be fine. Of course, do not wear Prada. You don't need Gucci slippers. Don't bring your Prada bag or your Louis Vuitton. You don't need it there. Trust me, you don't want to be that American wearing that crap at the ruins. Give me a break. Here is some great advice. Get there a little before it opens. If you get there later, it will look like Disneyland. Now, once you get in there, go inside, rent a bike. There's a lot of things to see on the way to the big ruin that you're able to climb. Skip all of that. Ride all the way back to the last ruin. You know, the big one, the fun one, the one you can climb. I'll tell you why in a second. So you're gonna go all the way to the back, put your bike off to the side, make the 120 steps up to the top of the ruin. When you get up there, take your selfies, take your pictures, hug your loved one. Just sit there and enjoy the beauty of it. Give you a little tip. Coba is actually one of the tallest ruins in all of Mexico, so enjoy that. When you're done, carefully, safely make your way back down, grab your bike. Now you're able to go and visit all the ruins that you skipped on your way back to the exit. That is one of the best ways of experiencing Coba, because by the time you get to the front, you're gonna notice that it did turn into Disneyland. There are so many people, so many tour buses, the parking lot is full, there's a long old wait for the bathroom. Tourists. It is chaos. Anyways, you'll probably be done with Coba in around 2.5 to 3 hours. Trust me when I say if you do it like that, it is a fun experience. You don't have to deal with all the crowds, not a lot of people in your pictures, you know, things like that. Now, here are your don'ts. Do not show up in flip-flops. Don't be that idiot. Wear sneakers. If you plan on climbing the ruin, it's 120 steep ass steps. Yes, there's a rope, but trust me when I say, if you don't wear sneakers, if your dumbass decides to wear flip-flops and you fall, that's your stupid fault. You can get seriously hurt. Don't be that idiot. In 2006, somebody went up Chichen Itza, rolled their ankle, and went all the way down, tumbling to their death. You don't want to be that person. Nobody wants to read about you, and then all of a sudden, they stop letting people climb the ruin because of you. When you get up there and you're taking your selfies, you do not have to go to the edge to take that selfie. Move in 5, 6, 7 feet, take your selfie there. Do it safely. Don't be that idiot that dies from taking a selfie. Your family will be extremely embarrassed of you. You do not want to be that American who dies taking a selfie in Tulum. Trust me when I say your 125 followers on Instagram will not know the difference if you're 8 feet in taking a selfie. That being said, those are your do's and don'ts for Coba. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Do I think it's better than Chichen Itza? Absolutely. It is a lot better than Chichen Itza. Now, this video is brought to you by Tulum Luxury Collection. Look them up if you want a fantastic experience in Tulum. It's only 10 minutes from downtown Tulum. They have a private beach, which means there's no vendors. Nobody's hassling about wanting to braid your hair. Nobody's trying to sell you some little thing that makes weird little noises. Nobody's trying to sell you some little wood carving or jewelry. You get to actually relax on your beach chair with no one bothering you. Tulum Luxury Collection. Check them out. The link is right underneath. My name is Michael Lopez. This is Join Our Vida Loca, and I hope you take this advice. It will save you a lot of time, a lot of headache, and you'll have a better experience. I would love to hear about your experience in Tulum. Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you.